Is your power strip playing a cruel game of musical chairs with your electronic devices? Do you have to unplug your laptop to plug in your phone and then all of a sudden your speakers go dead? It's a mess. I know, I've been there. CRST asked me if I would review this beast of a power strip, and I was like, hell yeah, because I had that problem in a lot of rooms in this house. As a matter of fact, right here you can see a cheap strip with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plugs, and this is going to replace it because this thing is freaking amazing. This is a beast. It's a 15 amp system with 2800 joules of protection for that surge protection, and it's got 10 plugs along with a USB-A and a USB-C, and you're going to connect it to your power supply with a 15-foot 14 gauge heavy duty cable. Oh, and I forgot. That's right, it is a full metal housing. It is a beast solid. It is a really good quality product. I actually have used some of CRST's other products and I have never had a failure with them. I've used their long, kind of commercial looking strips, and they've always been awesome. And I was very excited when they said, hey, will you talk about this? Because I personally wanted this for myself. If you're looking for a super durable, great looking 10 plug option to give yourself a ton of power on your toolbox, in the garage, under your desk at work, wherever it is, this is a great option for you. If you want to get it, there's a link here on the screen or down in the description below. Both of them work the same way. Neither of them costs you any extra money to use it, but does help out the channel a little bit. So I'm going to say thank you in advance. Ooh, I just did this. If I've added some value to you in this conversation, please give the video a like and share it with a friend of yours. Subscribe to the channel for more cool reviews like this. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time with a nice big plug up here in the future. All right, we'll see you in that video.